Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to Shopify. First of all, you have to open your Shopify store with your admin credentials. Once your Shopify store is opened, you have to click on the settings menu on the bottom left corner. From here, you have to select on domains. Here you will see all of your connected domains on Shopify. To connect your domain, you have to click on Connect Existing Domain. And here you have to enter the name of your domain and then you have to click on Verify Connection. If you see an error like this, what you have to do is to change some values from your domain provider. For example, I have bought my domain from namecheap.com. If you have bought your domain from any other source, you have to go to their website and sign in with your account. So in my case, I will go to namecheap.com and sign in with my account. On the dashboard, you will see I have account option. I will click on account. From here, I have to select domain list. This page will open. From here, I have to select manage my domain. So I will click on manage. From here, I have to select advanced DNS. From here, I have to select add a new record. First of all, we have to add a record. In the host section, I have to type @of. On the IP address section, I have to type 23.227.38.65. Then I will click on save all changes. And then I have to add another record. And this time I have to add a CNAME type record. And this time my host will be www and the value will be shops.myshopify.com. And then I have to select on Save All Changes. Then I will hop back to my admin page of my Shopify store. On this page, I will click on Verify again. And this time I won't get any error because I have done all the steps correctly. And that's how you can connect your domain to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.